Hi everyone, good morning. My name is Hugo Pinto. I work with the Load ZX Museum in hardware preservation. Nonetheless, today João asked me to do a special thing. I have not the faintest idea of what it is because I need to unbox a box, like the word goes. But I know what the box should be. I'm just not feeling what's inside. So I'm looking at R-tape cutting error, do not open with a sharp instrument, and I know like what these boxes usually contain, but we have one of these in the museum. We got this unit, we bought it at an auction, so I'm kind of curious on what the specialty of it is, right? So let's try to figure out what we have inside. If it is what I suspect it is, it's kind of a specialty item for the museum. Let's see. Well, looking at the box, pretty much the same thing as the item I'm suspecting. Just saw a difference, so probably it's what I'm trying to take out. Spectrum next. We have one of these. Pretty much standard box, except, haha, SE right there, right? What might the SE be? I'm kind of pointing at special edition. Let's see why. Now, let's open it up. Let's see what's inside, and trying not to break the original box. So I've got an exact knife. Let me open it up, trying to not break the precious stuff. Taking this, off it goes. Shiny new box. Same special mention, SE. Let's see. If we open it. I knew it. Amazing. So, what we got in the Load ZX Museum is the all too precious white ZX Spectrum Next. The white edition, the special edition here. It looks amazing, absolutely amazing. Everything is white except for the ZX Spectrum letters on the logo, plus of course the rainbow. And if we look at it, pretty much the same feel, pretty much obviously the same dimensions, right? I'm already putting fingerprints on the thing, but it actually, funnily enough, it doesn't fingerprint as much as the original because, well, the white disguises it, right? And the whole thing is white. Even the little feet are white. Really, really cool. What's inside the box? So let's see. The white ZX Spectrum Next. Let's see if anything else is white. I never saw one of these boxes open, so yeah, cool. So the whole thing is white as well. The power supply unit, the power switch, and the whole kit would look very, very nicely in your desk. So opening this up, does the manual has a special edition? I don't think it does. Yep, still a very nice edition of just the plain normal user manual that you'll find on the regular black edition. Really, really, really interesting read. Kind of brings you back to the original manual's feel. So what we have right here, and which we now unboxed, a very, very rare white ZX Spectrum Next, and the equally white power supply unit and accessories. They will look amazing on display here at the museum. You should come see it, and if you ever come to Portugal, to Cantanhede, and visit the Load ZX Spectrum Museum. Thank you so much. Really cool. There you go. The white Spectrum. Bye-bye.